Music Online UK, the YouTube channel for music education. Easy Piano Tutor, Lesson 31, The Natural Sign. This is a natural sign. It cancels the effect of a sharp or a flat. Look, for example, at these three bars. Notice, first of all, that there is a key signature of F sharp. This makes the first F, numbered 1 here, a sharp. On the next F, numbered 2 here, this sharp has been cancelled by the natural sign in front of it. So you just play a normal F. The flat on the B, numbered 3 here, would normally make all the Bs in that bar flat. But because of the natural sign on the last note, numbered 4 here, you go back to playing a normal B. In this piece, Sunshine and Rain, the beginning and end sections describe the sunshine. Play them smoothly. The middle section, however, is the rain. Make sure your staccato notes are short, like raindrops.